First, open Canva. Click Video to start a new video project. You will see a video page with a default duration of 5 seconds. You can keep the duration at 5 seconds for this tutorial. Now, let's add a background to the first page. Go to Elements. Search for City Background. Tap on Filter and choose a horizontal background that you like. For example, you can choose a park or city scene. Right-click on the graphic. Select Set Image as Background. The graphic will now fill the entire video page. Next, let's add a walking character. Go to Elements. Search for Walking. Look for an animated graphic. Click on Filter and select the Animated filter. Choose a walking character that you like. Add the character to your design. Resize the character. Position it on one side of the screen. Now we can create the movement. Select the character. Click Animate. Under the animation options, select Custom Animation. Now click and hold the character. Drag it across the screen to the other side. This creates a movement path for the character. You can make the path straight. You can also create a curved path. Once you are happy with the path, release the mouse button. Now look at the animation settings. Select Steady as the movement style. Now preview the animation. That's it. This is how you can create simple animations in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.